Boom, 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 boom. Hello guys, welcome again to Simpa Media. It is the number media channel of your choice. So guys, today is about 4K video work on the shore of Indian Ocean. So this ocean is a big ocean in Africa and in Kenya. In Kenya, in a city known as Mombasa. So guys, I'm just going to take you through like a 4K video work on the shore of Indian Ocean because it's a big ocean and the shore is really amazing. We have rocks, we have corals everywhere, we have shells, we have hydrophytes. Those are the aquatic plants. So guys, and the buildings too. We have even the ship directions. Okay, guys. So just keep tuned for you at least to have a look and a clear picture on this 4K video work. So just keep tuned. If you are the new subscriber, please don't just say subscribe. Just subscribe and turn on the